everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragyani. Today's video I am going to share with you some amazing gifting ideas to gift something special in this Valentine's Day to your wife or your girlfriend. So if you are confused that what to gift her and what to not, what will she like and what will she not, then this video is going to be super duper helpful for you. So without any further delay, let's directly jump into the video and let's see what amazing ideas I have for you guys. So let's get started. So guys, personally I don't think that there is just one day to show love for your girlfriend or boyfriend. So you can make her feel special every day and whenever you want. But if someone like to gift her girlfriend or wife something special in this special day, so why not make her special? And you can gift her anything what she like according to your budget. You don't need to go over your budget. So I will try to cover all kind of gifts which I can imagine according to everyone's budget. So guys, if you are a teenager and you don't have that much of budget, you can just gift your girlfriend some roses and some chocolates, and I think she will completely understand your feelings, because Valentine's Day is all about love. But if you want to gift her something else, then this video is going to be helpful for you. So first of all, I want to mention these 2 points that you have to keep in your mind before buying anything for your girlfriend, that what she really likes and what she needs, because you need to know that what she already have with her. Because if you are going to gift her something which she already owns, then it's pointless to gift her that product. So try to talk with her and try to know that what she really likes and what she really need now. So it will be really very easier for you to choose what you really want to gift her. So the first gifting idea for your wife or your girlfriend is some makeup products or skincare products. So this is very fun part, because you can just fix your budget, and suppose your budget is of 1000 rupees, then you can bought products which are like 200 rupees or 500 rupees, and you can just gift her a foundation or say a eyeshadow palette or a compact powder or a makeup fixer, or this kind of 3 to 4 products. Or you can also pick some skincare products, like gift her a toner or a moisturizer, and along with gift her a body lotion, because now this is a winter season and I think everyone needs a body lotion. So toner ho gaya, moisturizer ho gaya, body lotion ho gaya. Then you can also gift her some nail polish or lipsticks, or you can just gift her anything in this category. And I think that if your girlfriend or wife loves to do makeup, and if she loves to create fun eyeshadow looks, then eyeshadow palettes are a versatile gift for your girlfriend or wife, because eyeshadow palettes are something which she can use for a very long time, and she will really feel very happy if you gift her a good eyeshadow palette if she is a makeup lover. So guys, you can choose any eyeshadow palette from any brand according to your budget, but I am just giving you 2 options for a little bit more help. So it is a eyeshadow palette. It is a colorful eyeshadow palette from Hilary Rhoda. So this retails for 200 rupees only, and in Amazon or any other website you can find this even on a cheaper rate. So I have bought this from Amazon, and as you can see, this is a colorful eyeshadow palette and you get almost all the colors here. So you can gift this if you want. एंड इसका एक और भी वेरिएंट आता है जो न्यूड आई शेडो पैलेट है, तो आप दोनों ही ले सकते हो, एक ये ले लो और एक न्यूड वाला ले लो. दिस इज द पैलेट 02 एंड द न्यूड वन इज 01. सो आप दोनों मिलकर ही उसे दे सकते हो, एंड उसे और कोई पैलेट की जरूरत ही नहीं है. एंड इफ शी इज अ बिगिनर, शी इज गोइंग टू लव दिस 2 eyeshadow palettes. So just give her this 2 eyeshadow palette, and under 400 rupees your gift will be sorted. And with these eyeshadow palettes you can also gift her a lipstick, say of Maybelline or Lakme. Then under 500 rupees your gift will be sorted, and I think she will really gonna love that. And if you have budget of 2000 rupees or more than that, then this is a very nice eyeshadow palette. This is from Beauty Glazed, and this is the Color Board eyeshadow palette. So this one retails for 2000 rupees, but I got this on a very good discount from Cuffs and Lashes at 1500 rupees only. And here you get all the colors a girl need in her eyeshadow palette. Trust me guys, just see. Here you get all the colors. If you gift her this palette, she don't need any other eyeshadow palette, and she will be really very happy that you have given her a really nice eyeshadow palette. And I will show you. This has 4 palettes in it, and here are all the mattes and shimmers and glitter colors. So here you go. The packaging of this is really nice. As you can see, this is also very travel friendly, and you are getting all the colors in one eyeshadow palette, which is really amazing. And you are getting so many colors guys, and she is really gonna love that if you gift her this one. So my second choice of gifting her in this Valentine's Day is accessories and bags. So you can gift her any kind of bag, say it is a clutcher or purse or a handbag or a sling bag, whatever you like, and you can pick that अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बजट. सो स्लिंग बैग्स जो है ना वो 200 से लेकर के 1000-2000 तक का भी आता है. सो यू कैन चूज वट एवर यू लाइक, वट एवर योर बजट इज, एंड जस्ट गिफ्ट हर अ नाइस हैंड बैग और अ स्लिंग बैग, एंड आई थिंक शी विल बी रियली वेरी हैप्पी. Or you can even gift her some jewelry, and if you don't have a budget to buy some gold or diamond jewelry, and you don't even need to gift her all that expensive things all time, so you can definitely gift her some artificial jewelry, and you can gift her some amazing neck piece, or say a wristband or a wristwatch. And in wristwatches there are lots of options for girls, so you can definitely choose according to your budget if you want to gift her a wristwatch. और मुझे लगता है कि एक लड़की के पास कितने भी बैग्स और ज्वेलरीज और wristwatches क्यों ना हो, हमेशा कम ही होता है. So you can definitely gift her some bags or jewelries or wristwatches. Another nice option in accessories is deodorants and perfumes. So deodorants and perfumes comes in different ranges, and I will share all the products which I am talking about in this video in my description box below. So if you want, you can go and check whether you like something to buy or not. So you can definitely gift her some good perfume. So I have also made a video in my channel, so I will link that here in the I button. So that was about perfumes under 150 rupees. Yes guys, you can get perfume under 150 rupees, and if you are in a budget, you can gift her that perfumes also. And if you have a high budget, then you can gift her some luxurious perfume, and I think that she will going to love your thoughts and love you more. So guys, the third and the most thoughtful gifting idea, at least for me, I think that this category is the most thoughtful products to gift your girlfriend or wife. So that is grooming products. So you can gift her some hair dryer like this. So this is a Philips hair dryer. I will share the link of these grooming products in my description box below. You can check it out if you want. So this is a Philips hair dryer which I have been using since last 2.5 years, और अभी तक इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई है और बहुत ही अच्छे से काम करता है मेरे लिए. आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस प्रोडक्ट टू यू. और ये सिर्फ 750 या 800 का ही आता है. एंड इफ यू हैव अ हायर बजट, यू कैन गो फॉर द हायर रेंज हेयर ड्रायर्स. वो भी फिलिप्स का ही मिल जाता है 1700-3000 रुपए का. सो वो भी ले सकते हो आपका अगर ज़्यादा बजट है तो. But if you have a budget of 800 rupees or less than that, then you can definitely try this, because this is a very good product and I can highly recommend this to you. The next grooming product which you can gift your girlfriend is again from Philips, and this is the Philips hair straightener, and I have been using this recently and I am in love with this guys. This is so amazing. I mean you can give this to your girlfriend and she is going to love it. But make sure to know whether she already have a hair straightener or a hair dryer or not. Just try to know in a little bit of conversation. Don't tell her, just surprise her with these gifts, because who don't like surprises, right? So the next and the last grooming product which I will show you is this hair curler from Philips. So Philips is a really trusted brand. I completely trust Philips because all the products which I have used from Philips are really good. You can definitely try some other brands, but I can highly recommend this brand to you because I have used this and I have my personal good experience. So this is a hair curler. So this hair curler and this hair straightener retails for around 2000 rupees. I will mention in the screen the prices. I actually forgot, and I will also share the links of these products in my description box below. Don't forget to check them out. So guys, the fourth gifting idea for your wife or your girlfriend is dresses. Yes guys, you heard me right, because no matter how many dresses she has, it is not enough, because कितना भी dresses हो guys, we always need some new good dresses. So you can definitely gift her some dresses, or even if your girlfriend or wife like to wear saris, you can also gift them that. And you can check on many online websites, or you can even bought them from any shopping mall or any local stores. That's completely up to you, and you can definitely pick the dresses according to your budget. But guys, make sure to know the sizes properly, because if the sizes is not right, then the dress is not going to fit her and she is going to be angry. So make sure to know the sizes and bought her a good dress, and she is going to love that. Trust me guys, dresses is the बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर गिफ्टिंग योर गर्लफ्रेंड और वाइफ. एंड ड्रेसेस कभी भी ऐसे बेकार नहीं जाती. शी इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू वेयर इट. सो गाइज, मेक श्योर टू गिफ्ट हर अ ड्रेस इन हर फेवरेट कलर एंड इन द perfect size. So guys, the fifth gifting idea for your girl is some electronic devices, and my first choice in this category is obviously a power bank, because a power bank is a really very necessary product for anyone. So if you are a girl who is watching this video, you can obviously gift your boyfriend a power bank also, because it is a really very important product. And if your girlfriend or wife don't have a power bank, please go ahead and buy a good power bank. And you can buy a power bank in 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees, what your budget is. You can definitely get her a power bank, and she is going to be love this, because this is a really very thoughtful and a necessary product. And the second product which I want to mention in this category is a fitness brand like this. So this is a MI fitness band, एंड ये 1000 रुपीज से स्टार्ट करके 2000 और मोर देन दैट आता है. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय दिस फॉर योर गर्लफ्रेंड or wife, and I have got this from my friend in my birthday. So I really appreciate this kind of thoughtful gifts. So you can definitely check this out from my description box below. And you can definitely check some other brands also, but I can't guarantee those because I have used this and this is working perfectly for me till now. So I have received it I think 1 or 2 years back. I actually forgot, so I think 2 years back. So the next products I want to mention in this category is a headphone or a earphone. So if your girlfriend needs a headphone or a earphone, you can definitely gift her that. So that will be I think in 1000 to 2000 rupees. So you can definitely gift her that. So guys, the last and the sixth gifting idea to gift your girl and make her feel special is some personalized gift. So I think this is the best way to make her feel special, because personalized gift is the best way to gift anyone, no matter whether she is your girlfriend or your mother or your sister or your cousin or your friend, whoever it is. Personalized gifts are the best gifts to gift anyone. So for the first option, you can gift her a beautiful photo frame. So you can print your good photo, whichever you like. You can choose a beautiful photo and just frame it and gift her, and she is going to love it, because those kind of gifts are really very special and close to our hearts. So no one is going to hate those gifts. I think definitely your girlfriend is going to love that. And you can also go to the pastro and make some kind of coffee mug or anything which you find in the page store where there is a photo of you or your girlfriend together, so you can definitely print that photo on that coffee mug or some paperweight or any keychain or whatever you want to. So you can definitely use your good photos or her photos to print those things, and you can definitely give that. So these kind of customized gifts are a really good option to gift anyone in this Valentine's Day and to make her feel special. And you can also gift her some roses or any kind of flower she likes, and you can gift her some chocolates which she like, and also you can gift some other kind of food items. And suppose your girlfriend loves chocolates and chips or any kind of snacks, you can definitely make a pouch or take a kind of big bag and make it filled with different kind of chocolates and snacks and chips, and gift her that, and make sure to wrap it nicely and gift her that. And if she is a foodie like me, I think she is definitely going to love that. And you can definitely gift her some handmade cards if you have the time to make. So you can draw any kind of pictures, or you can also take some help from some YouTube videos, and you can definitely make some handmade cards and just gift her, write some beautiful notes and say that how much you love her, and just gift her that. She is going to love that. So those are all the gifting ideas which I have to share with you. So please go ahead and buy whatever you want to gift her and make her feel special, and enjoy this Valentine's Day as much as you can, because last year is a very bad year for all of us, and let's not waste this year, and let's enjoy as much as you can. And that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because they also need to know some amazing gifting ideas to gift their boyfriends or girlfriends. So please share this video with your friends and also help them out. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for my videos, also feel free to share that. I will love to know those. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.